Are you looking to save money on your next vacation? Look no further. This video will show you how to uncover the best travel deals. First, consider flying on weekdays instead of weekends. Flights are often cheaper on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Next, sign up for airline newsletters to receive exclusive discounts and flash sales. Don't forget to compare prices on multiple travel websites such as Expedia, Kayak, and Orbitz. You may find a different price on each website. Another tip is to book your trip during the off-season or shoulder season. This will not only save you money, but also avoid the crowds. Additionally, don't be afraid to negotiate prices with hotels or rental car companies. You may be surprised at what discounts you can get by simply asking. Finally, consider booking a package deal through a travel agency. These often include flights, hotels, and activities, all for a lower price than booking separately. Now that you have these tips, you can save money on your next vacation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips.
Be strong.